really delicious. To start, you're going to get your blender. You're going to plug your blender in, and then you're going to put in 1 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These are mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. I think we bought these by mistake, but they will work since you're just going to melt it / blend it up. Something that's important to note is that this recipe only makes 4 servings, so if you want more, you should just double it. Now you're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of sea salt. Now in a pan about this size, you're going to put in 2/3 of a cup of whole milk. Now you're going to put that on about medium heat until it starts to simmer. When your milk starts to simmer, take it off the heat and bring it back over to your blender. You're going to now dump it over your chocolate and sugar and let it sit for 1 minute. You can shake it around a little bit if you need to. After it's been a minute, you're going to put the lid on your blender. Now, you're going to blend it on high, except I'm not, since these Vitamixes are known to go like super powerful, and I don't think we actually need that. So you'll just blend it until it's all combined. I'm on about 4 out of 10. Here's what 10 sounds like. Okay, that blender is pretty incredible that it can be that powerful. Anyways, now you're going to need to add 3 egg whites. You can either discard or save the extra yolks. I'm just going to do this over here. If you're concerned about potentially getting shells in your mixture, then you should not do it over the thing, but I'm pretty sure that will be fine. Some people would like doing it between their fingers. I'll do this one like that instead of between the shells, since you're less likely to break it. I'll do both. Now you're going to put that back on your blender, or maybe you didn't take it off. I'm going to put the lid on. I don't like this lid, it's so hard to get on. And then you're going to blend it on high, or again, I'm really not going to, because this is so powerful, and you'll do that until it's smooth again for about a minute. Okay, I'm probably going to go deaf soon because this mixer is so loud. This blender is so loud. Now you're going to take off your lid, then you're going to take your, if you have ramekins, you should use those. These ramekins are really great. If you don't have ramekins, you can just use a glass. And now you can try to pour it, or I don't know if you have one of these on your blender, but try to get it even amounts in each of your ramekins. If you want, you can also add almond extract or peppermint extract to this when you add the egg whites. Okay, now you can put these in the fridge for as long as you need to. Obviously not super long, but for a while, and then I will be back to eat them. I do think these are fantastic if you have whipped cream to eat with them, so I will be making that, and I will see you in a few minutes. I'm probably going to go edit this video now. Okay, so I've just let this set for a couple hours, but I'm going to eat it now. So I'm going to take some whipped cream, put it on top, and now I'm going to eat it. And that is a really easy recipe for a really yummy dessert. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.